Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to reverse navigation buttons in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. See here, for going back, what will you use here? Just you will use this button, okay, right side bottom, this icon, okay. So this is for going back, okay. See here, for going home button, you will just press this middle button, okay. For viewing recent tabs, you will use this left side button, okay. So if you would like to reverse navigation buttons like using left key for going back and using right key for going recent tabs, so what will you do? First you go to reverse the button order. Go to the settings of your phone first, then go to additional settings and here select system navigation and here select second option button layout. In button layout to select second option so that back button goes to left side and recent tabs button comes to right side, okay. Home button remains unchanged. In this way you can easily reverse navigation buttons in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.